Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 to 3 large eggs per person, 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, and your preferred fillings such as cheese, fresh herbs, or finely diced vegetables. A good quality nonstick pan, roughly 8 to 10 inches in diameter, is also crucial for a perfect omelet. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a small bowl, adding a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are slightly frothy and well combined. Next, place your non-stick pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to melt completely, swirling it around to coat the entire bottom and sides of the pan evenly. This prevents sticking. Once your pan is ready, pour the whisked egg mixture directly into the hot pan. Let it cook undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds, allowing the edges to set. As the edges begin to firm up, gently push the cooked portions towards the center of the pan using a heat-resistant spatula. Simultaneously, tilt the pan slightly to allow any uncooked liquid egg to flow underneath the cooked sections, ensuring even cooking throughout the omelet. When the top of the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist, it's time for your fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients, like cheese or herbs, over 1/2 of the omelet. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the fillings to warm and the eggs to fully set. Finally, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula. Gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and serve it immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.